Kai the brave parrot. Kai the colorful parrot lived on Bright Fire Island, where warm volcanoes glowed at night like giant lanterns. One afternoon, the ground trembled softly. Small animals became frightened and ran in every direction. Kai flew high above the island and noticed a safe cave near the cool ocean cliffs. Instead of hiding alone, Kai called loudly to guide everyone there. Tiny crabs, sleepy turtles, and frightened monkeys followed his bright feathers through the jungle. Soon, everyone reached safety together. That evening, the volcano became calm again. As stars filled the sky, Kai realized something important. Bravery means helping others feel safe, even when you are scared too. Luna, the gentle sea turtle, loved swimming beside the black volcanic rocks of Ember Beach. One morning, she saw baby turtles struggling to cross the hot sand. Luna carefully guided them toward cooler paths near the palm trees. Slowly, the tiny turtles reached the ocean safely. The baby turtles thanked Luna happily before disappearing into the sparkling waves. Luna smiled gently. She learned that kindness can make difficult journeys easier for others. Milo Monkey and the Lava Fruit. Milo Monkey discovered glowing red fruit growing near the volcano slopes. Excited, he rushed to grab them without thinking. But the rocks beneath his feet became hot and slippery. Milo carefully climbed back down and waited until morning when the ground cooled. Later, he safely collected the fruit with his friends. Milo learned that patience helps us enjoy good things safely. Rico, the tiny crab. Rico, the little crab, loved collecting shiny shells near the island caves. One day, a strong wave carried his favorite shell far away. Rico felt sad, but an old pelican told him the island always gives new treasures. The next morning, Rico discovered an even more beautiful shell sparkling beside the lava rocks. He smiled proudly. Rico learned that letting go can open the door to new surprises. Tala the firefly. Every night, Tala the firefly danced near the glowing volcano smoke. One evening, thick fog covered the jungle paths, and many animals became lost. Tala gathered hundreds of fireflies together. Their tiny lights illuminated the dark island like golden stars. The animals safely found their homes again. Tala realized that even small lights become powerful when they shine together. Boro Bear and the Warm Springs. Boro Bear loved relaxing beside the island's warm volcanic springs. One dry afternoon, animals argued over who should use the spring first. Boro calmly suggested taking turns. Soon, everyone enjoyed the warm water peacefully. The island became quiet again. Boro learned that sharing resources keeps communities happy and fair. Nia the curious iguana. Nia the iguana explored every corner of the volcano island. One day, she wandered too close to steaming rocks. The heat frightened her, and she quickly stepped back. Afterward, Nia explored more carefully and listened to older animals' warnings. She learned that curiosity is wonderful when combined with wisdom. The Pelican's Storm Warning. Pablo Pelican, noticed dark clouds forming above the volcano. While many animals continued playing, Pablo warned them about the coming storm. Some listened, others ignored him. Soon, heavy rain and strong winds swept across the island. The prepared animals stayed safe inside sturdy caves. Afterward, everyone thanked Pablo. They learned that listening carefully can protect us from danger. Suri the Singing Gecko. Suri Gecko loved singing beside glowing lava cliffs at sunset. One evening, she noticed lonely animals sitting silently after a frightening tremor. Suri softly sang cheerful island songs. Slowly, smiles returned to the animals' faces. The volcano island felt warm and joyful again. Suri learned that music and kindness can comfort worried hearts. The Volcano Island Promise. One peaceful night, all the island animals gathered beneath the glowing volcano. Parrots, turtles, monkeys, geckos, crabs, and fireflies shared fruit and stories beside the ocean. Together, they promised to protect the island's forests, beaches, and warm springs. They understood that nature gives beauty, food, and shelter to everyone. As the volcano glowed gently in the distance, the animals felt proud of their magical home.